Hey everyone, just wanted to show you cleaning the M&P FPC bolt with mean green instead of gun cleaner. There's a lot of bullshit in the gun world that you don't need to buy that's expensive. This stuff here is like $60 a gallon. This was today $6 a gallon. And I'm gonna use mean green to clean this bolt. All I'm gonna do is take a little bit of mean green, spray it, wipe this puppy down. There it is, nice and clean. Now you can see this one, how dirty it is all the way around the front side of it. We shot about 300 rounds today. Again, just a little bit of mean green. That's all I'm doing. Let me get one thing over here. Always keep my scouring pad, a little bit of mean green. Took everything off of it except for right there. I just go to my little scouring pad. There we go, clean. Pretty easy on that one. Let me finish this up so you guys can see it. There you go, a little bit of mean green on it. Cleans this bolt up nice and good. A little scouring pad, because that burns on there a little bit. And we're good. Just wanted to show you that mean green will do the same job for $1.50 a quart versus almost $20 a quart for the fancy gun cleaners. All right, that's it. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.